Hey, what's up guys? This right here is a fuel injector of a 225cc motorcycle, and today I'm going to show you how to check this fuel injector whether it's in a working condition or not, and also how to clean this thing. Well, every fuel injector, doesn't matter whether it belongs to a car or a motorcycle, have this same physical structure. As you can see, this right here is the intake for the fuel injector. This thing is attached to this manifold, and this manifold is further connected to your fuel pump. So this right here is the line for the fuel pump, and this is where the fuel gets into the injector. So what happens is that when you apply 12 volt potential over this end, there's a small solenoid in this fuel injector that gets pulled back and the path gets cleared. So what happens is that the fuel gets injected from this end into your cylinder. So let's just put it back. This right here, this manifold came with the motorcycle. So what I did was I just mounted a thin pipe over this end, and on the other end of the pipe I just mounted this car bench choke cleaner. It's a throttle body cleaner, but yes, you can use it as a fuel injector cleaner. This right here is a throttle body of the same motorcycle. I'm going to clean it in a few minutes because you see this thing is pretty dusty and all that, so let's just not get to that. So what I did was I mounted this pipe over this throttle body cleaner. So I tightened this using this piece of wire. So first thing that you guys want to do is you want to check whether the solenoid inside the fuel injector is in working condition or not. So this right here is a 12 volt potential we have. So you're just going to put it over the negative and the positive over the positive one. So it's supposed to make a clicking sound like this. So now we know that this fuel injector is in a working condition. So let's go for cleaning. So what exactly I'm going to do is I'm going to apply a 12 volt potential over this end, and on the same time I'm going to press this throttle body cleaner. So what happens is that a pressurized choke cleaner comes on this end, and it's gonna go out from that side. So let's just go for it. So there you go. The fuel injector, the nozzle is open, so I'm going to just press it. As you can see, yep. So your fuel injector is cleaned. So as you can see, I press this choke cleaner from this end, and the fuel injector is in already open position. So you can see, so the fuel injector is cleaned pretty much. So that's all you need to know. Well, you might want to clean this fuel injector after every 15,000 kilometers. As I've recently got a low grade fuel from a local petrol pump, and I was just suspicious that that guy was having a lot of oil in his petrol. So that's why I cleaned this fuel pump, because I found a lot of residues in my fuel tank. So that's why there was a need to clean this, so for my own satisfaction. So that's pretty much is everything.